Good morning, everybody. We are in session 41. Subject is Business Research Methods, Chapter 4. In Unit 4, we have the data collection and processing. And in today's 41st session, we are in interview and its types. An interview is a face-to-face interpersonal situation in which one person, the interviewer, asks a person being interviewed, that is the respondent, questions designed to attain answers pertinent to research problems. So, interview is a system in which both the investigator as well as the informants discuss the problem under research. The basic objective of an interview is to collect information. Interview is initiated by the investigator. It is a process completed by the interviewer or respondent. The investigator here in an interview takes an interview, that is an inner view of the respondent, to seek answers to questions that is formulated in the interview schedule. We now go to the types of interviews. 1. We are going to go to the personal interview. So, a personal interview is where a single individual is interviewed at a personal level. Here, a personal contact is established between the interviewer and the respondent. Attitudes, changes in personality and is all understood, and a very good rapport, a very good two-way communication is developed and maintained in this personal interview. Detailed knowledge and information and intimate and personal aspects can be covered in personal interviews. 2. Group interviews. Here, more than 2 people are interviewed together. This type of interview is when routine information or very superficial ordinary information is to be gathered. Third, we have formal interviews. Formal interviews is where a preset agenda or preset questions based on what type of information must be collected is set and given to the respondent. The respondent is going to go through the preset questions and answer. This formal interviews are rigid and usually closed questions are given. Next, we have something known as informal interviews. Here, informal interviews is an open-ended, unstructured type of interview wherein the interviewer can change the questions as the interview progresses based upon the type of information required or the type of leads required to get the required information. So there is high flexibility in these type of interviews, and based on either the need of the respondent or the need of the information requirement or the need of the situation, questions can be changed. Next, we have something known as a diagnostic interview. A diagnostic interview basically is given when the interviewer tries to understand what are the causes, what are the reasons, and what are the cures for any problem. Usually, as the word says diagnostic, it is usually in relation to how a doctor and a patient come to an understanding about the situation. Next, we are going to the treatment interview. So, treatment interview is when non-physical or psychological causes come into the situation. Faulty lifestyles or any issues about abuse, harassment. So, if there is a problem and how it is going to be treated. Lack of motivation or no team spirit in an organization. If performances are falling down. So, in such cases, this type of interview with a view of finding a remedy or how you treat to get the required situation changes is done. Next, we have something known as research interview. So, research interview, as the word itself says, deep, in-depth interviews about a specific topic, information is collected. Qualitative interviews is when qualitative data is required. So, non-quantifiable data. In such cases, usually primary data or in where information regarding past, present, and future has to be collected. This type of interview is done. Quantitative interviews are when certain facts and figures are to be collected about a large number of people. Example is census. Next, we have something known as mixed interview. So, mixed interview basically is free or unstructured interview. The interviewer here merely gives one or two leading questions to the respondent and encourages the respondent to go into his experiences or his ideas, and a discussion takes place. And based on this discussion, information is gathered and used by the interviewer. Next, we have something known as focused interview. Focused interview is adopted when a special concrete situation takes place. These situations has to be analyzed, and in such cases you have a framework or a guideline of what type of information is required, and particular information is given to specific issues that have to be studied. Therefore, this is known as focused interviews. All types of personal reactions, intellectual orientations, and specific important key areas, core areas, these are done under focused interviews. Lastly, we come to repeated interview. So, repeated interview is when you assess the ongoing developmental changes over a period of time or over a change sequence. This is done under repeated interviews. So, periodically you are going to study and gather information over a phenomena or a situation wherein there is changes over a period of time. So, this is periodic interviews. Thank you.